Hi, today I'd like to show you how to play Old Time Rock and Roll by Bob Seger. Very straightforward song. I'm tuned to G, low G, D in the middle, high G. It's a fretless instrument, so we're just using a slide. And first thing I like to start with is the piano lick, which I do on the middle string, 5, 3, 2, 0. And of course it's a bit faster. And then the band comes in or somebody starts singing, not me, but perhaps you, and then the rhythm starts. And the rhythm is very straightforward. So what I'm doing there is I'm hitting both strings twice, and I'm hitting them both again with my slide on the second fret of the middle string, and then once. And I do that twice, that makes it one measure. And that's basically the rhythm for the whole song. So you're going to do the same lick when you get to the 4, but you can't really keep this note going. So you just, and then back to the beginning, then up to the 5, then back to the beginning. Now, during the verses, it doesn't do a turnaround, it just starts again. And the verses are doubled. So when you're going to go into the chorus, that's when you go, I'll go from the 5. That's when you do the turnaround. I've seen lots of bands and musicians, they just do the turnaround every time, but technically speaking, on Bob Seger's record, he does the turnaround just before each chorus. And that's all there is to playing that song. I'll do a short version of it so you can hear it all in context. And the backing track that I'm going to use, I make them myself. You can get them everywhere now. They're called MIDI files. And I thought I'd mention I use a program called Sonar from Cakewalk, which is free from all sorts of places, but I think I got this version from Bandcamp. And there's many other programs. MIDI can be a lot of fun because you can go in and edit them, and you can learn a lot about music just by messing around with them. Anyway, have a great day. Bye.